Biradar Kalyani.
The respondent is present. Respondent is present. Due to
Today, presence only is not sufficient.
Yes.
The reason for his presence.
I do agree, Your Lordship. Due
So
to
what we-
what he has said, Your Lordship, some medical emergency with his daughter.
No, that's okay.
I do
What
agree.
we are saying, suppose you had complained, his presence was not required. Now, how much you are going to pay?
So at present he has given 5,000 rupees and filed yesterday. I have filed an affidavit, Your Lordship. The remaining whatever arrears of this order service on honorable court, within 2 months he will pay, Your Lordship.
80,000 ಅರಿಯರ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ.
His order,
It is there 1 year.
order speaks, order speaks.
Yes,
I'm
yes.
not speaking.
Yes. Yes.
80,000 ಅರಿಯರ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. 5,000 ಕೊಟ್ರೆ
Well, within,
ಪಿಗ್ಮಿನ ಕಲೆಕ್ಟ್
no,
ಮಾಡೋದು.
that is not your, his situation is very worst situation here. He's in a very agriculturist ಕೂಲಿ, Your Lordship.
ಕೊಡ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ, ಅವ್ರು ಹೆಂಡತಿ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದಾರೆ.
That is the dispute thing. That is the disputed thing, Your Lordship. The adultery is the main, which is
ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಕುತ್ಕೊಂಡು ನಾನು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ.
adultery is the main reason, Your Lordship, behind this, all those things,
His
Your Lordship.
attitude.
No, Your Lordship.
Court directs him to be present before the
No,
court.
he has,
He gave a money to you,
no,
give it to his wife.
No, no,
He
no.
don't want to see
no,
his
no,
wife.
it is not like that, it is not like that. I told him to be present today, but yesterday night he called me, sir, there is emergency.
So go take proper steps, let him go inside.
No, Your Lordship, I will, he has filed affidavit, Your Lordship.
We have passed an order directing the trial court to go along according to law. So you file a application sir along the process, you will be sent inside. Distress warrant ಇದೆ.
He is the only person,
Arrest warrant ಇದೆ.
he is the only person earning family, Your Lordship. He is ready to pay, Your Lordship. He is not a, he is,
ಜವಾಬ್ದಾರಿ ಇದೆ ಹೆಂಡತಿ ಸಾಕೋದು.
if your Lordship go through the facts, Your Lordship, very different facts are there in this matter, Your Lordship. Your Lordship.
Now we are very much concerned about
Yes,
the arrears of
Yes, Your
maintenance.
Lordship. I agree, Your Lordship. I made,
Pay. You
I
are
may-
not- you are regularly irregular
no, Your
in
Lordship.
payment of the maintenance.
Economic issues are there, Your Lordship. Economic problem. He is also facing financial problem.
ಈಗ ಅಷ್ಟವಲ್ಲ ಇರ್ಬೇಕು ಯಾರೋ ಇರ್ಬೇಕು. He is paying to his wife. 80,000 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀ 5,000 ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ.
Well, in 2 months, his entire amount will be paid including.
To pay substantial amount.
I will make him to pay.
Okay, then we requested you to direct your client to pay a substantial amount.
Yes, Your Lordship. Having some problem, Your Lordship.
Charity, sir.
Some medical emergency for that is not.
A charity. Your client is not doing any charity to his wife. ಹೋಗ್ಲಿ ಬಿಡಿ, let him take steps, otherwise we'll send him inside.
He will- He has undertaken, Your Lordship, to deposit them.
First of all, he has no regard for the court.
That is not the plan.
He has no regard for the court order.
He has filed your affidavit.
Failed to pay the arrears of maintenance ordered by the trial court. He has evaded to come before the court today, though directed by the court,
Due to some,
by the division bench rather.
that is emergency.
Yes.
Some emergency he has quoted, Your Lordship. Nothing, not intentionally, Your Lordship.
Emergency ಏನಿದೆ?
How he has.
ಈಗ ಹೇಗೆ ಜೋರ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಹೇಗೆ ಬಂದ?
Like he was with his daughter is pregnant, Your Lordship, and he went her to take away to his native. For that reason, he was in his daughter's house. For that reason, when I called him, sir, ille din barta idin anta
Excuses.
that is not, it is a fact. It is fact, Your Lordship, not any excuse for that.
ಈಗ ಸಾಯಂಕಾಲ 5 ಗಂಟೆ ಒಳಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಡ್ತಾನೆ ಕೇಳಿ. 5,000 we are not satisfied.
But the thing is,
ಬೇಕ್ರಿ ಗಂಡ ಒಂದು ಕಡೆ ತಾನು ಒಂದು ಕಡೆ.
the facts are quite different, Your Lordship. That is it.
He has to pay substantial amount. He has to pay substantial amount.
Sir, on my part, Your Lordship, I will make it.
Third, at least 1/3. ಅದು ಆಗಲ್ವಾ? 5,000 ಏನ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ ಹೇಳಿ?
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಬರೋದ್ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಮಾಸ್ವಾಮಿ. He is also having some problem. Agriculturist ಇದಾನೆ.
He may be having 100 problems. It is his duty to maintain his wife.
Only interim maintenance granted earlier, Your Lordship.
ಅದೇ
That the 120 ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀನಿ sir.
ಯಾಕೆ ಬದುಕಬೇಕು? ಭಿಕ್ಷೆ ಬಿಡ್ಬೇಕಾ ಅವರು?
Facts are quite different. Adultery allegations are there, Your Lordship.
ನಾವು 4:30-5 ಗಂಟೆ ತನಕ ಟೈಮ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೇವೆ. ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಡ್ತಾನೆ ಕೇಳಿ.
I will make him measure. ಕೇಳ್ತೀನಿ sir. I will make it.
He has to pay substantial amount.
I will ask them out.